It's New Year's Eve, and we're getting there. Figured I could squeeze in one more video before the end of the year. This is a Duracraft 8-inch fan. Found it on Marketplace. I think I paid like $8 for it. Meant to do a cleaning and servicing of this fan before I made the video. I try to do that in case there's any issues or anything, but didn't get around to it. I don't see a stamp on this anywhere with any information. There's a sticker here with a date on it. Says 9/99, September 99. There's no model information or anything. I don't see the stamp. I guess there was probably another sticker somewhere that must have fallen off, unless it's on the inside somewhere. So I'm not sure what the model number is, but it's a Duracraft fan from September 1999. Looks like an 8-inch, 7 or 8-inch pivot fan, kind of like a breeze machine sort of thing. The base kind of looks like sort of reminiscent of some Holmes stuff that I've seen. The guard design is kind of weird. It's kind of like a spider web. Not sure what that is on the blade. Must be sticky, whatever it is. It's not wet or anything. Somebody spilled some maple syrup in there, I guess. I don't know. Cord also has this sheen to it. It's like a metallic finish, like a pearl finish. Not sure what you call it. So that's kind of weird too. It's definitely like a late 90s, early 2000s thing. It's a 2-speed fan. Pretty simple, but the design is just kind of alien looking. This is another one. I think Duracraft is just throwing stuff at the wall to see what sticks. I've never seen this particular fan before, so I guess this is one that didn't make it in the long run. I think there was something broken on this too. Yeah, this the little cover for the pivot broken off that side. Otherwise, the fan seems to be in pretty good shape. So we'll run it high speed first. Air movement's not bad. It's pretty noisy. I don't think it's as strong as the turbo fans, the little Duracraft turbo fans where they have the switch knob on the front here. I don't think it's quite as strong as those, but I think it's better than the breeze machine at the same time. So it's good, not great. Yeah, that's the high speed, so here's low. At least the low speed is quieter. That's not bad. And the air movement is still pretty good on the low speed, and it seems to carry pretty good too. It has some distance to it, so that helps. High speed again, and then off. So this one still needs to be clean and oiled. I had to do that before I recorded. I was having a hard time trying to get the screws out. I rounded off the end of one of the screws and just didn't really feel like messing with it anymore. So eventually I have to go to war with that and try to get this thing apart. And maybe do another video after cleaning video on it, because as you can see, it's pretty grimy. Not a bad fan though. It's not the best Duracraft fan, but it's probably not the worst either. I don't know if there are different colors of this thing. I don't know what the model number is. Eventually I'm going to have to figure out what the model number is, and then eventually I'll go back in and edit the description, put the model number in there. I would imagine that there are probably different color varieties of this. Not sure what they would have been, but yeah, this is Duracraft 8-inch pivot fan. I'm not sure what the name of it was. Duracraft also came up with some clever names for the fans. There was the turbo fan, then there was the Newberry Street 8-inch fan, which is floating around here somewhere. Then there was the 5-point fan, among many others. Maybe this was the spider web fan, I don't know. Kind of doubt it. It's either 7 or 8 inches. Not sure, but Happy New Year. Celebrate with another Duracraft. Why not? Thanks for watching.